So if you want to kill your email campaign faster than cyanide, try sending a cold email to a bad list of contacts. There's nothing that's going to destroy not only your sending account, but your domain faster than that. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to clean your lead data efficiently and teach you the best possible tools that you can use. I'm going to teach you a free way, not free, but an unlimited way to validate all of your emails. And then I'm going to walk you through step by step how we actually do it so that you can copy and paste our proven method right into your company. Before we get into it, I'm Jay Feldman, founder of Otter Public Relations, a top 10 PR firm in the entire country. My goal with this video is to give you every ounce of knowledge that I have on cold email so that you can build your agency or company or e-commerce, whatever it is, as big as possible so that you can then hire our PR company, because we do the best job in the industry, believe me. All right, let's get right into it. Let's talk about cleaning some emails, huh? So before I walk you through the strategies on how to clean your emails and what tools to use, let's talk about why you need to clean them in general. Because a lot of people, and hopefully you're not one of them, if you're watching this video and you're like, you know what, and I paid a lot of money for my list, I pay a lot of money for this service where I get my data from, I probably don't need to clean my emails. Well, here's what's going to happen to you. If you send a cold email campaign, let's say to 5,000 contacts, and 1,000 of those are hard bounces, meaning they're undeliverable, the servers that you're sending those emails through, whether it's HubSpot, Google servers, Amazon servers, are going to flag your email campaign, your domain, your sender account immediately. And not only is the rest of that campaign not going to deliver or going to deliver to spam, but you are going to kill your sending domain. We don't want to do that. We want to be efficient cold emailers. We want to do this properly, and we want to set our campaigns up so that they run for life. And if you follow the steps that I'm going to teach you, not only in this video, but in other videos, and go into the description and watch the entire playlist for cold email. Believe me, there's gold in there. If you follow what I tell you, you're going to have cold email campaigns that are generating 10 plus reply rates that are going to survive for the length of your business. Trust me. All right, so just as important as cleaning your list, it's going to be really helpful to start with a relatively clean list. So one of the biggest mistakes that people make when they're starting cold email marketing is they want to save money on data. Data is expensive. And if you send me a DM on Instagram, I'm going to send you 7 million contacts straight from Instagram. It's already pre-cleaned for you, but still clean it. But yes, data is expensive. So we pay a lot of money for our data through a platform called Apollo.io. If you're interested in using this platform, there's a link in the description to save some money. ZoomInfo is like 40, 50 grand a month. And there's actually a video, I'll put that in the show notes as well, that teaches you how to get data for free or for very cheap. There's a lot of good discount options out there that actually has pretty good data. My warning is that you should not buy a list for a discount. Data is expensive. It's meant to be. These platforms put in a lot of time and money to make sure that their data is actively being cleaned, actively being pinged, and it actually corresponds to the right categories and information. So make sure that you're paying for a good data source. I obviously recommend Apollo.io. It's what we use, but pay good money for data. Here's what's going to happen if you don't. You're going to buy a list, say it's 1 million contacts. You purchase the list online for $200. You download it, and then you go to clean it in one of these cleaning tools. You spend a couple hundred more bucks cleaning this list just to realize that not only are they not relevant, they're categorized wrong, but 90% of them are hard bounces and undeliverable. Now what do? You're stuck holding a bucket of shit. Up front, invest in these platforms so that when you go to clean your list, you're not getting 90% undeliverable, you're getting 5 to 10% undeliverable. So make sure that you're using good data, obviously segment properly, but pay money for data. The next thing that I want to note just on those lines is that even if you're paying good money for data, even if you're subscribed to ZoomInfo and you're paying them $50,000 a year for clean data, I still want you to clean your data, even if it says verified. A lot of the time, these platforms are very good at maintaining clean lists, but they're not that good. They're not that quick. There's turnover all of the time. People make disposable emails. There's 10,000 layoffs on Twitter the past week. What do you think happens to all those email addresses? They're nixed immediately. You want to send a bulk email campaign to Twitter employees now, and you're going to hit 10,000 bounces, you're going to be out of luck. Your email is going to be fried. So right before you send to that campaign, send to that list, make sure that you clean your data, even if you're paying a lot of money and it says verifiable. All right, now let's get into the juice, the meat, and talk about how to actually verify your list and what is email validation anyways. So real quick, email validation, all of the services do this practically the same way. That's why you're going to see 1,000 different options out there for you to buy and subscribe to. They're all going to cost money for the most part. If you stay till the end, I'm going to teach you how to not pay money on an ongoing basis. And here's how they work. They take the list, you upload it, it pings all of those emails. It will actually send them an email and see what comes back. If that email goes through, boom, deliverable. If it kicks back with a template response, now it might be a catch-all, so it'll be categorized as like a maybe. And if it kicks back as undeliverable or with a warning sign, it will tell you that email's undeliverable and you can't use it. They all work this way. It is the reason that I don't really have a specific option to point you in the direction to choose. And I'll tell you why we chose the tool that we did based on the factors that actually matter. All right, now let's go dig into the tool that we actually chose. I'm going to walk you through how we do it and why we chose this tool and the factors that you should consider when you're picking what software to use. All right, here we are inside of our tool. It is called Million Verifier. Pretty cool, huh? So the reason that we chose this tool specifically is for a couple of reasons. One, it's pretty affordable. So if you look at what it costs to buy credits with this tool, down here towards the bottom, 5 million credits, about $1,000. That comes out to being very, very cheap. You'll only go through, and it depends on your email volume. We go through about 1 million a year, maybe a little bit more. So it's very cheap. It's very efficient. Their servers are fast, which means that when we actually upload data to them, they're able to spit that data back out to us very quick. There's nothing worse than uploading data to your tool, and it might take hours for it to result in data coming back to you. The other reason that I really like this tool, actually there's a couple more reasons, so I'll go through it. Do you see this segment, good, risky, bad? So good emails are exactly what you would think they are. It's emails that went through successfully. These are emails that it's safe to send to. Risky emails can fall under a couple different categories. Catch-all and unknown. Catch-alls are like hello at, billing at, company name. And unknown is they're not sure if they can validate it. They shouldn't have a high percentage of these. Million Verifier does not charge you for risky emails. That is a super attractive thing about this platform that I think you should take into consideration for sure. Bad, obviously, do not send to these emails. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's a lot of different customizations with how you're able to send reports. There we go. So you can send reports a couple of different ways here. We just like to download the good emails only once this is done. And that will just spit out the emails that we can use. Now, if you want to try using risky emails, say catch-all is not going to be the worst thing for you, you can do that. It's absolutely no problem. You might get worse results, but experiment. Try that. We use good emails only. Now, let me go and show you the other reason that we chose this platform over the other ones. Let me find a smaller file. Apollo export. See, we extract info straight from Apollo, pour it right into here. And now we have good, clean data very, very quickly. All right, take a look at this. This is how it spits out data. And it might look like a normal Excel spreadsheet. Now, I will say one of the worst things about a lot of email validation softwares is that it does not do this. It doesn't maintain all the columns that you upload. If you uploaded this into a cheaper tool, it would only spit out a list of emails and the result. That's not good. That's not usable. We can't upload that into our email sending platform. We need to do a lot of work to those spreadsheets before we can upload it. And we do not want to bottleneck our operations, our systems of getting this done in any way. So that's why we chose this platform. As you can see, all the results are okay. We've got all our columns intact, and this is ready to be uploaded. So those are a couple reasons that we chose Million Verifier. It also syncs directly with your CRM in a way that they call it Everclean. So as you can see here, it syncs directly to our ActiveCampaign so that you can actively keep your warm list clean too, which is very important. Like I said, there's a lot of people that sign up for your list with one-time use emails. They'll get fired from their position, and you do not want to be sending email campaigns out to dead emails. So whatever you choose, it should have something like this so that you can automatically keep your warm list clean as well. All right, just to run through a couple other options here that are pretty popular. Never Bounce is one that a lot of people use. It's slightly more expensive. Again, it's going to be a great option. Emailable is another one, slightly more expensive, and also has some problems. Again, I recommend Million Verifier. I've done all this testing. Now, if you're on a discount budget and you don't want to buy a million credits and you want to start validating, I always recommend checking AppSumo for the latest softwares. Here's one that they have right now for email list validation. If you get to tier 3, or tier 5, it's $295, and you're able to validate 5 million emails per year for $300 one time. You really can't beat that. Now, a lot of these tools are pretty rudimentary when they come out from AppSumo. We actually bought this because we buy everything from AppSumo just to test it. And there was a lot of problems, server issues. It wasn't uploading correctly. It wasn't exporting correctly. But if you're on a budget, definitely something that you should consider doing. And always check AppSumo. Check my link in the show notes in the description to get special access to AppSumo so that you can start shopping around. So definitely something to consider. I definitely recommend taking some time to go through these platforms to see what fits best for you. I've done a lot of this research myself, and I definitely recommend Million Verifier. It syncs right to your active list, whether you use HubSpot or ActiveCampaign or MailChimp, to keep your list clean. You can upload your data right to it. It spits it right back out instantly. Exports the data in a really clean way where we don't have to manipulate it very much. And that's much better than other platforms and what you'll see there. But what's most important of all is that you pay good money for data. So if you're going to sign up for Apollo.io, use my link. If you're on a budget and you're just starting out, send me a DM on Instagram. I'll show you exactly how to get my free pre-cleaned list of data that's been pre-scraped that you can categorize yourself. It's really awesome. I paid $5,000 for this like several years ago, and they've kept it clean. So don't tell anyone. Shh. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please watch the rest of my videos on email marketing. It's going to be well worth it. I've got some really great content in there. I don't hold anything back. My goal here is not to sell you email marketing. My goal is to help you grow your company so that you can get to a point where you can hire my PR firm, which averages about $6,000 per month with 6-month packages. All right, guys, thanks so much. Go be ninjas out there. Go market. Go set up your cold email campaigns, and leave a comment if there's anything that I can help you with. And if you got value from this, because I know you got value from this, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss another one and you get an edge over that competition. See you in the next one. Peace.